Call sign accepted. Beginning protocol 23-1-0784. Access granted. Enter CW passcode to continue.
Can I get a McChicken, please?
Sorry, kid, we don't have those here. Where did the kid go?
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. A portal has opened at the McDonald's in Lee, Massachusetts rest area. There is no cause for alarm at this time. However, residents should avoid this portal. It is unknown why this portal has opened, but interdimensional beings have come out, but so far pose no threat. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. Protocol active. Interdimensional travel complete. Time until portal closes, unknown. Earth of this dimension bears similar features, but the weather is different. The North Pole is tropical, the southern part of the United States is part of the Arctic, and Canada appears to be designated as Tornado Alley. Saving preferences to your interface.
You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards National Station. The following frequencies are not active due to weather emergencies. 162.450 MHz in Fairbanks, Alaska. Current conditions for all cities. At Nome, Alaska, Category 6 hurricane conditions reported. The temperature was 80 degrees and falling. In Miami, blizzard conditions were reported. The temperature was 9 degrees. In Washington, it was mostly cloudy. The temperature was 44 degrees. National outlook. Powerful Category 6 hurricane Yurt will continue to weaken as it moves across Alaska. Yurt will move into Canada before moving to the south into the Dakotas as a tropical depression. Blizzard conditions will continue to impact the Florida coast to the Panhandle for the next 24 hours. Up to 36 inches of snow is possible across the area.
Incoming message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Yellowstone has violently erupted and has caused nuclear weapons stored in the area to explode, causing a catastrophe on a scale on which we have never seen. The West Coast is toast. Everyone in a 500-mile radius is going to die. Get to your fallout shelters immediately. We're in. Yellowstone erupted. Nuclear weapons were stored near the volcano. Adjusting to dimensional interface. Hello there. I'm from another dimension. My name is the Broadcaster. You are my testing grounds for a device that will bring cataclysm to dimensions wherever I go. Do not panic. Panic will only make the situation worse. I will end this very quickly. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. A huge asteroid that appeared from a portal is about to hit the Earth. This is the end for us all. We have no further instructions. Earth destroyed. Portal is still active. Preparing coordinates for next destination.